Welcome to Sigma Group of Institute. My name is Professor Adil Haji, Assistant Professor, Department of Civil Engineering, Sigma Institute of Engineering, Vadodara, Gujarat. Let me introduce civil engineering, one of the oldest and booming branch in the world, and going to be backbone for country and world for a next generation infrastructure, smart cities planning and development of new cities, and to preserve environment and boost the economy of the country. Let's begin. Content of this presentation are about Sigma Group of Institute, Introduction to Civil Engineering, why to choose civil engineering, and what is the difference between other branches versus civil engineering. Sigma Group of Institute is one of the leading education group in India. Sigma Group is having a motto, knowledge is power. And to fulfill this motto, we provide great knowledge with good quality education. Sigma offer multiple courses like engineering in degree and diploma, pharmacy, physiotherapy, nursing, BBA and MBA and Bachelor of Science. Now I am going to give you a brief introduction about civil engineering in Sigma Institute of Engineering. In civil engineering branch, we are having a total intake of 60. We are having expertise from core branches of civil engineering like structural engineering, transportation engineering, geotechnical engineering, environmental engineering, water and wastewater engineering. Our expertise provide ample knowledge of these subjects with the proper practical explanations to make you understand deeply about this subject. And so we are having a practical labs to cover all the practical knowledge of these subjects. We are having a civil engineering labs like applied mechanics, concrete technology, transportation engineering, geotechnical engineering, earthquake engineering, fluid mechanics, environmental engineering, and surveying. Now we are going to talk about why to choose civil engineering. Civil engineer covers all the core sector of nature earth. If we talk about surface of earth, we are working with construction industry in which we are doing constructions of residential, commercial and industrial units. If we talk about transportation side, we are working with highways, railways, bridges and tunnels. If we talk about beneath the surface of earth, we are doing soil studies, which is also known as geotechnical engineering. We are doing water and wastewater management. Even in the atmosphere, we are working with environmental engineering, and as a civil engineer, we are also in the business of surveying. There are lots of opportunities for civil engineers to grow themselves and become experts working with leading construction industries. Leading construction industries like L&T, Reliance, Tata, Adani and Linde are one of the major recruiters. Even cement industries also work with civil engineers. Industries like Ultratech, Ambuja, Binani, Sanghi are one of the major recruiters for civil engineers. Government is the biggest recruiter for civil engineers among all the other branches. Every year there are vacancies coming out for the departments like roads and buildings, water and sanitation department, irrigation department, pollution control board and even military engineering services. Civil engineer works with border roads organization and border building works, and that way we are serving our nation. There is a major difference between other branches and civil engineering. Civil engineering is one of the oldest branch among all the other branches. Other branches are depending on civil engineer. They need some workspaces like offices, warehouses, industries, and this all can be made by only civil engineers. Nation can be called developed if there is a construction and infrastructure in it, and without civil engineer it is not possible. Thank you.